Nice little project. I know somebody that'd be interested in one of them. '67 GTO, rag top. Back up so I can get the full thing. What's up, guys? Well, it's been another day. Actually, it's my anniversary weekend, and me and the wife decided we're going to take us a road trip. We ended up here in Kennett, Missouri, and I had to pull over because I saw something I hadn't seen in a long time. Let me show you what I got here. Found Eubanks Auto Sales. Y'all can see what it is, but look what he's got. Looky there, looky there. '67 GTO, rag top. Back up so I can get the full thing. Heck yeah. Boy, howdy, this is a project car here. It is very rare to find, actually, no motor, no trans. Old MG. Camaro, F-body, a Ranchero, and a step-side Chevrolet. That ain't all he's got. We're gonna take a tour and just walk around. Whoa, there we go. We're gonna take a tour and just see what all he's got, because he's got our parking lot full. Spin this camera around. I think that, if I'm not mistaken, is a Mercury Cougar. Got a lot of Mustangs. Ford truck. Looks like a Mach 1 Mustang. Old LTD. Yeah, that's a Mach 1. Got another Ranchero. Old Maverick. Let's see. Fiero. You don't see too many of them. Not that you really want to. I guess this is the graveyard back here. Good Lord. Look at all the cars. Get y'all up a little bit higher so we can see. think it's a Mitsubishi Toyota Supra Turbo, more MG. Triumph, look at that. Look at the doors on it. That's cool. Buick Opel GTs. Wow. Shoebox, I believe. Could be wrong. Yep. Ooh. Cobra. Nice little project. I know somebody that'd be interested in one of them. What have we here? A Thunder Chicken. Look at the taillights on this. That is freaking awesome. Another Mustang. Cool. Guys, just if you know, you can go back to the front of the video. If you see any of these cars that you think you might want, you can call the number on that. I think this is a Torino. Cool little car right there. Parts buggy. Yep. That's a Torino. Oh, there's an old Ranchero. Fairlane. Another Mustang. Oh, look, you got something from Itawamba County. Well, that's just a little tour of what this man has. Eubanks Auto Sales, Kennett, Missouri. Give him a call. We'll see y'all later. Remember, comment, like, subscribe. Give a shout out. Locust Farmer Fab. Hit that little notification bell in the lower right hand corner. Let you know when I build a video or put a video out. Let's say that. Appreciate it, guys. Y'all have a blessed day.